What if I told you that right now, somewhere beyond the orbit of Jupiter, a mysterious object is racing toward Earth? And even NASA isn't sure what it will do when it gets here, because this comet is behaving in a way no human has ever seen before, and if it changes direction, we may not have time to stop it. It started quietly, the way all dangerous things do, with no breaking news, no emergency alerts, just a small blinking dot on a computer screen inside a dark observatory in Chile, where an astronomer named Luis Ortega was scanning the sky when he noticed something strange, a faint object moving, but not the way comets usually move. Most comets follow predictable ancient paths left over from the birth of the solar system. Following orbits scientists can calculate with extreme precision, but this one didn't. Its trajectory was slightly wrong at first. Luis thought it was an error, bad data, or a faulty sensor, so he checked again and again. The object was coming from a direction no comet should come from, and it was moving far faster than expected, and when he sent the data to the International Tracking Network, the room went silent. Because this was not just another space rock, this was something new. Within hours, telescopes in Hawaii, Arizona, and South Africa turned toward the object and confirmed what Luis feared: the comet was accelerating. Not slowing down like normal comets as they approach the sun, but speeding up, which should not be possible. Comets are powered by sunlight. As they get closer to the sun, ice melts, gas shoots out, creating a small push. But this comet was too far away for that to explain what was happening, meaning something else was pushing it, something unseen. NASA quietly upgraded its risk classification while publicly saying everything was fine, but privately their models showed a disturbing possibility that if the comet altered its path just slightly, it could enter Earth's gravitational corridor, and once something enters that corridor, it is almost impossible to escape. Humanity has always feared comets in ancient times. They were called stars with hair, believed to be omens of war, plague, and collapse. When Halley's Comet appeared in 1066, it came just before the Norman invasion of England, and when a comet appeared in 1910, people even wore gas masks. Today we call that superstition, but deep down we still fear what comes from the dark. Because 66 million years ago, a cosmic object wiped out the dinosaurs without warning. This new comet, officially labeled C2037X9, is large enough that if it hit Earth, it would not just be a disaster, it would be an extinction-level event. Normally, astronomers can predict a comet's path with stunning accuracy, but this one refuses to behave because every time new data comes in, the orbit changes, like trying to predict the path of a leaf in a hurricane. Its surface appears unusually dark, absorbing more heat than expected, causing violent jets of gas to erupt, which act like tiny thrusters, and in space tiny pushes add up. One jet firing at the wrong moment could shift the comet's path by thousands of miles, and at over 100,000 miles per hour. That is the difference between a beautiful light show and the end of civilization. The comet will make its closest approach in less than 2 years, and while it is still far away, it is coming in hot, and as it nears the sun, those gas jets will grow stronger, making things dangerous. NASA can track, predict, and even try to deflect, but they cannot fully control one miscalculation. One unexpected outburst and Earth becomes a target. So why isn't this everywhere on the news? Because uncertainty is worse than bad news. Government stand T1, panic market stand T like fear, and scientists stand D want to make mistakes in public. So they wait, run models, recalculate, and watch the comet slowly grow brighter, hoping it stays on course. Here's the truth no one likes to admit. Earth is not in control. We live on a tiny rock floating through a shooting gallery of cosmic debris, and every once in a while, something big comes too close. This comet may miss us, and it probably will, but the fact that we are even having this conversation proves something terrifying, that we are never truly safe. The strangest part is that some astronomers believe this comet may not even be from our solar system because its chemical signature looks different, meaning it could be a visitor from another star system. We have no idea what it will do when it meets the sun. So the real question is not just will this comet hit Earth, but what else is already out there on its way? Comment what do you think about this comet. Like if space mysteries fascinate you, and subscribe to AEDID, because the universe is far stranger and more dangerous than we have ever been told.